Last month, we learned that Mazda was seriously considering adding all-wheel drive to the Mazda6 lineup due to high demand. Now, more evidence has surfaced that an all-wheel drive Mazda6 could be coming sooner than later. As first reported by Motor Trend, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website has listings for both the 2018 Mazda 6 with a standard front-wheel drive powertrain and a 2018 with all-wheel drive. Clicking on the all-wheel drive link reveals that it has the exact same safety ratings and features listed as the front-wheel drive model. Both pages also have links to the same technical data sheets, all of which are for the 2016 Mazda 6. This is the case with the 2017 model listed on the NHTSA site, too.